Fuck. What are you fucking doing? You want to push me away? You fucking failed. Want to hurt me? Congratulations, baby.
I can't forget this evening or your face as you were leaving, but I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. Whoa. No, I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrow. When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. Without you, I can't live. I can't give anymore. Can't live. Living is without you. I can't give. I can't give anymore. Well, I can't forget but I guess that's just the way the story goes.